Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Lindt hot chocolate. First, you will need 100 grams of your favorite Lindt chocolate, preferably a high-quality bar for the best flavor. Next, prepare 2 cups of whole milk. Its fat content contributes to a creamy texture. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of sugar ready, though you can always adjust this amount to suit your personal sweetness preference. These are the foundational ingredients for a truly indulgent drink. Now, let's get to the preparation. Begin by finely chopping your Lindt chocolate. Smaller pieces melt more quickly and evenly. Pour the 2 cups of milk into a saucepan and gently heat it over medium heat, being careful not to let it boil. Once the milk is warm, gradually add the chopped chocolate, whisking continuously until it is completely melted and smoothly incorporated into the milk. This ensures a consistent and luxurious texture. To elevate your hot chocolate, consider these enhancements. A small pinch of sea salt can surprisingly deepen the chocolate's flavor, bringing out its rich notes. For an aromatic touch, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract just before serving. Finally, for a truly decadent experience, top your hot chocolate with a generous dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows. Enjoy customizing your perfect cup. Here are a few final tips for the best hot chocolate. Always avoid boiling the milk, as this can scorch it and negatively impact the flavor and texture. Continuous stirring is key to achieving a perfectly smooth, lump-free drink. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals. Serve immediately and savor every warm, chocolatey sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.